Yeah.
Abakalem.
Check.
You know what?
Sibuka sekhala inyembezi sezakumhlabathi baphila kaningi bandlula amakati ngenolwandle bese phenduka ivadi khipha irandi phahla nginika abaphansi seninyovuka amakhala amahansi sengikhadi lokuyovusa abazali sengizegcwele engishoda ngokuzenga bathi mfana impilo igcwele lameva kugilitshe lakho ubheke kulithemba nyabakhumbula balwa nemvula inhlava ivula isifuba nyabakhumbula abakhuza ngokuthula bathi ngizovangeka litholela mithuba nyabakhumbula bangidonsa ngidonje Sunday school bathi sabona kusazoshuka nyabakhumbula amakhula benza neremedy kusasekuseni isotsha lizovuka nyabakhumbula balwa ngesiphato nobuciko ngisibuza baye kuphi bo yila abantu baye kuphi bo banye baye ezulwini banye baye kuphi bo banye baye ezulwini siyabakhumbula bo hey wave trinity engisigibelila yona basoba ngoHaile Selassie yithi isihlahla sempilo labantu emaphushweni bafika ngokuzongilimaza bathi ngihlaba inkomo enkulu ngikhulume nezitha ngibadlise makuba makhaza indema sifastele ilizwe lempendulo zonke sizithola masifika ku-altar sibe sechante Rwanda Rwanda bopasta abaningi bajola ama-ash sithi sibindi sibe siphuza inyongo ngoba siyabakhumbula bo
ngiyabakhumbula abazali bami lo mhlaba uyangihlaba ngiyabakhumbula abazali bami lo mhlaba uyangihlaba ngiyabakhumbula abazali bami.
Gunshot in a straight man down, I and I fought. Car crash enter under the truck, drink life get I and I move. Gonna soka lesi tabeni, spalegele gongo kwa simtabeni. Seskumbula basali betu masambeni, sibalandele singanadele. Kumbula basali bami laba banglethe emhlabeni. Kule kanzima ngifuna lo thando lomzana olunamandla sila singithwele ubunzima ngathatha usila singamenza ubaba wami uwayizaro ngamenza umama wami umenele ngamenza umkhulu wami wonke ama-Afrika mawabo. We cry for everything we deserve to get in Africa. We really need the love and unity of mama and papa. Children have been starving, poverty is what they truly know. Nothing left to eat, prayer and what is a survival. Salted droplets from the eyes, day by day them living like weight of Ube is the bread. When times are tough it's what they share. Remembrance of their loved ones is killing them emotional. Thunder and stuff, the tough moments around them I and
ngiyabakhumbula abazali bami lo mhlaba uyangihlaba ngiyabakhumbula abazali bami lo mhlaba uyangihlaba ngiyabakhumbula abazali bami lo mhlaba uyangihlaba khumbula abazali bami lo mhlaba uyangihlaba khumbula abazali bami khumbula abazali bami khumbula abazali bami lo mhlaba uyangihlaba khumbula abazali bami lo mhlaba uyangihlaba khumbula abazali bami lo mhlaba uyangihlaba khumbula abazali bami.
You know what?